Greetings. It is Friday, February 22nd, 2013, and we're just a few seconds away from the close of the day session. And you can see the trades that were taken today. Also, I've got some Elliott wave counts on there. We used 9 contracts and 3 targets, and the score was $1,505. I have been recording my video lessons for the new course, and I just recently did the one where we discuss Elliott wave light. So I'm kind of in Elliott wave mode. So let me share a little bit about how we got to where we are today. Starting over here on the 10-minute chart, you will see that yesterday we finished up with what appeared to be the conclusion of a down move, a complete 5-wave impulse pattern, this being the end of wave 5. So during most of the overnight hours, we were rising above the trend definer on the 10-minute chart. So I was of the opinion that this wave, now going in a new direction across the trend definer, was either a new wave 1 or wave A. Given the fact that the price is still rising, I think the odds now favor it being a wave 1 rather than A, but I'm not going to take that designation off just yet, because then it'll become psychologically set in stone, and I don't want that to happen just yet. So in any event, the green line here is the start of our day session, and it looked like we had sort of come to the end of this first wave, and that, of course, meant that we were bound to have some sort of correction. So I was expecting initially a down move, and then at some point the market should break to the upside, and that's exactly what we ended up with. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pause this tape while I do an image shot of this chart, and then I'll be right back with you. All right, that was done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the drawing objects, and I'm going to turn on the chart markers so that we can see where the trades were. But before I do that, as you can see, this was my wave 1/A, so this was going to be probably 2. And since corrective waves are usually labeled with letters rather than numbers, we have an A, B, C, D, E, based exclusively on the momentum modules created by our parabolic here. Then we launched to the upside. I took a phone call in another room, and so I missed this entry, but I came back in time for this little pullback on the stochastic. So I got in at that point and still had a winning trade. Now, I'll discuss the balance when we turn on the trade markers, so bear with me one more second. Okay, now let's start over here. We got short right at 6 o'clock, right about the opening of the trading room. The magenta arrow and triangle show us where we got in. We had the beginnings of a red, white, and blue alignment. First target hit there, and then we were stopped out up here. Immediately got short again when the parabolic flipped. First target, second target, stopped out over here. Then got short again. First target, second target. Oh, I'm sorry, that was a stop out. First target and stop out. And then, as I say, I should have gotten long here, but that's where I had my phone call. So this is where we got long. First target, second target, stopped out here, and then I got long again here, and this was kind of a rookie mistake. If this was wave 3, which is what I suspected, then the first corrective wave within wave 3 would have to be more sizable. It would have to be on a size commensurate with this elongated wave 1 over here. So I should have known that there probably would have been some more squiggles to this corrective wave. But in any event, I got long here, and the market immediately went down. But I could tell by the rising trend definer that there was an excellent chance that the market would eventually prove me correct in my Elliott wave analysis. And so I hung on, and sure enough, we had first target here, second target there, and that was the stop out when we got to 114. So again, we made over $1,500, and that's the kind of day we're likely to have in the trading room. So again, I hope to see you all there. Now, I have a little bit of news. The webinar that's going to explain it all to you and christen the new web pages where you'll have a chance to sign up is going to be this Thursday. That's next Thursday, of course, which will be February 28th, and it's going to be at 3:30 p.m. Pacific time. So the promo webinar for the new trading room will be Thursday, February 28th, 3:30 Pacific time. Make your plans to be there. See you then, folks.